Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get filter back on Instagram. Keep watching this video to not miss any part. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos. Now let's get started. Firstly, head over to the Google Chrome or Safari and there search for "Is Instagram down?" and check for the report and make sure is Instagram server down or not. If there's nothing with the Instagram, then you should head over to Instagram. Now from the home page of Instagram, swipe left. Now swipe the filter to the left and go to the very end. And there you can see at the very end browse effect. Tap on it. It will give you a bunch of effects and filters, and even you can search for the specific filter. Now if you're searching for a specific filter or effect, then you can tap on magnifying glass icon and then search for that effect and then choose the one you are searching for and use this filter. Now you're still not getting that filter on your Instagram, then you should head over to the setting panel on your device. Once you reach to your settings panel, search for apps and there tap on manage apps and then search for Instagram and tap on clear data option and then tap on clear cache. After that, head over to the Play Store and there search for Instagram and make sure your app is updated and you are using latest version of it. And now if you can see any kind of update button on your screen, then tap on it and update your app. Now after all these processes, you will be able to get filter back on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.